is for apple, round and red. Eat one before you go to bed. B is for banana, yellow and sweet. It is such a tasty treat. C is for cherry on a cake so tall. I would like to eat them all. D is for date, sticky and brown, the sweetest fruit in all the town. E is for elderberry, dark and small. Pick them up and have a ball. F is for fig, soft inside. Open your little mouth so wide. G is for grapes, green or blue. I will share a bunch with you. H is for honeydew, cool and light. Eating it is a pure delight. I is for ice, apple jelly and cool. Eat it after coming from school. J is for jackfruit, big and prickly too. Yummy yellow bulbs for me and you. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and brown. Don't let it fall on the ground. L is for lychee, pink and white. Peeling the skin is a delight. M is for mango, the king of the heat. Juicy and yellow and very sweet. N is for nectarine, smooth and red. I want one more is what I said. O is for orange, juicy and round. The best citrus fruit that can be found. P is for papaya, healthy and hold a slice in your little hand. Q is for quince, yellow and tart. I love this fruit with all my heart. R is for raspberry, little and red. Put some jam on your bread. S is for strawberry with seeds on the skin. Wipe the juice off your chin. T is for tangerine, easy to peel. It makes a perfect healthy meal. U is for ugly fruit, citrus and sour. It gives you lots of energy, power. V is for velvet apple, fuzzy to touch. I like this fruit very much. W is for watermelon, a summer treat. Juicy and red and good to eat. X is for bequia, melon so fine. Come and share this slice of mine. Y is for yuzu, sour and bright. It tastes good in every bite. Z is for ziziphus, small and round. Shake the tree till they fall to the bite.